Hi, this is Nick. Welcome to ISG, where we talk all things real estate in the Czech Republic. Today, we're going to do our review of February 2025. Prices of real estate in Prague rose 1.9% for the month of February. It was 1% across the country on average. We're still seeing quite a lot of positive growth there. I think as the interest rates have dropped a bit, we're starting to see a little bit more demand, and people are definitely concerned that prices are getting away from them, so they're continuing to look to buy, and that is of course causing prices to go up. In the last month, rents in Prague dropped 2.2%. So finally, we are seeing a little bit of a drop in those rates for rents. And I think a lot of that is to do with the fact that people just don't have enough money to continue to take on these exorbitant rents that we're seeing. Definitely, I've seen in the local market that prices, have sort of stagnated, and definitely you're not getting as many people inquiring about properties at the higher rates. So I think for now we might have seen the top in terms of the rental market, and we may continue now at this kind of level for a little while. Definitely as prices of real estate goes up, we may finally see the fact that rents start to head down a little bit as more and more people opt to buy. Across the country, we saw around a 1% rise. So elsewhere, obviously, it's still catching up towards Prague, as normally happens. So we may see that cool off a little bit later. The average interest rate dropped to 5.11%, so just a small drop. It hasn't taken into account yet the 0.25% drop we saw from the Czech National Bank during their February meeting. And we may still see another drop later on in March when they meet again. The Czech National Bank seems quite confident that inflation is under control and that it will be heading naturally towards a 2% target by next year, and that they hopefully will have some opportunity to reduce interest rates little by little without causing any major spikes. But of course, it all depends on what happens in the global markets, and we're seeing tariffs going on from the US. So let's wait and see how this kind of pans out. But for now, it does look relatively positive. Thanks very much for watching, and see you again soon.